Which of the following ordered pairs satisfy the relation 2x minus y equal 3? Now this is a different kind of questions here. We're going to use the same way anyway, but he gave you already the 3 points, but he wants to know which of them satisfies the relation. Again, what's the meaning of the word satisfy? It means when you substitute with the values of x and y from the point in the relation, you will get the right side, which is 1 here. Okay, so or you can substitute with the value of x as we're going to do, and then calculate the value of y. If it's the same as in the ordered pair, then we say that the point satisfies the relation. How so? We start with the first point, which is 0 and 1. So x here equals 0, and we must get y equals 1. So when I substitute, for x equals 0 as in the ordered pair, I will multiply 2 by 0 minus y equal 1. So I substituted, I replaced the x in the relation with the value which is 0 in the first ordered pair to see what will be the value of y. If it's equal to 1 as in the ordered pair, then we say the point satisfies the relation. If it's not, if it's any other number but 1, then we say it doesn't satisfy the relation. So 2 multiplied by 0 here is 0, which means that negative y equals 1. And then we say that y is equal to negative 1 by multiplying both sides by negative 1. So now the ordered pair, as you can see, it should be 0 and negative 1, not 0 and 1, which means that the point 0 and 1 doesn't satisfy the relation because the value of y here became negative 1 when we substituted with 0, not 1. So this point doesn't satisfy the relation. If we put x for the second order pair 3 and 5, then x here is equal to 3. Then we're going to substitute for x equal 3 in the relation. So 2 multiplied by 3 minus y equals 1. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So subtract 6 from both sides. You will get negative y equal 1 minus 6. Which means that negative y equals negative 5. So positive y equal positive 5. Now this ordered pair here should be value of x is 3 and value of y is 5. So it's the same as the ordered pair given in the question. So we say 3 and 5 satisfy the relation. We put the value of x equals, as in the last order pair, negative 2. So the value of y we must get is negative 5. Otherwise, it doesn't satisfy the relation. So if x equal negative 2, it means we multiply 2 by negative 2 minus y equals 1. 2 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 4. So we add 4 for both sides. It will be negative y equal 1 plus 4, which means that negative y equal 5. So positive y equal negative 5. And this is the same as the point he gave me in the example. So we say that the point negative 2 and negative 5 satisfies the relation. If negative 2 and 1 satisfies the relation 3x plus by equals 1, then what is the value of b? Again, what's the meaning of satisfy the relation here? It means we can substitute for negative 2 as x and 1 as y in this relation. So we can calculate the value of b. So 3 multiplied by negative 2 plus b multiplied by 1 equals 1. 3 multiplied by negative 2 will be negative 6. And b multiplied by 1 will be b. So we can solve this equation here. Negative 6 will be plus 6. So b equal 1 plus 6, which means that b equals 7. Again, in this question also, if k and negative 13 satisfies the relation for x minus y equal 13, find the value of k. So again, in this ordered pair, x equals k, y equals negative 13. So we can multiply 4 by k and substitute for y equals negative 13. So 4 multiplied by k will be 4k. And as you know, minus negative 13 will be plus 13, so we can subtract 13 from both sides. So 4k equals 0, and you divide by 4 to get that k equals 0. In this example here, he gave me the point k and 2k satisfy the relation 5x minus y equals 6, and he wants to know the value of k. Again, the point satisfy the relation. It means I can substitute for x equal k and y equal 2k. So 5 multiplied by k minus 2k will be 6. 5k minus 2k will give you 3k. So you can divide both sides by 3 to get that k equals 2. To solve this question here, it's better to go to page 53 first to learn how to graph the relation. Then we go back to question 5 later.